If you look at the Hong Kong Jockey Club, we are over 140 years old, so we are an institution in Hong Kong. A lot of the revenue that we generate from the club is invested directly into charities and contributions. We are one of the largest philanthropic organisations in the world. My name's Gary Deleuze. I am the Executive Director of IT for the Hong Kong Jockey Club, in effect the CIO for the club. Of course, our business is growing, so we need to look at ways in which we can modernise, build better technology and be more agile for our business.
I'm Roland Davis. I'm the Executive Manager for Platform Engineering at the Hong Kong Jockey Club. For the last 3 years, I've been running the Customer Identity and Access Management program here at the Jockey Club. 3 years ago, when I arrived, the Customer Identity and Access Management environment was largely built in-house. It did have some components that were off the shelf, but it was largely homegrown through a series of development activities. It really was limited. If you look at the performance characteristics of our customers, the performance at the race almost looks like a denial of service attack anywhere else, right? Like it's just this massive spike of users that log in.
Just before the start of each race, we see about 8,000 to 9,000 transactions every second. We see 50,000 to 60,000 logins a minute coming in through our digital apps. So for us, the challenge is how do we support that level of transaction volume? Zero downtime is the only thing that's tolerated. If we have any downtime, we lose revenue.
With the new solution, we can now support major events and not have to worry about resiliency and availability as much as we used to have to worry about it. We now have active in terms of how we've deployed the environment. We have deployed to the cloud.
We have a very configurable platform. So we can now change the way that our login model works. We can change factors, we can change different paths through the customer journey, and we can make it a lot more dynamic. How do we make sure that we can bring the expertise that Ping has around your platforms and your products together with our own teams who understand our own systems and our customers and fuse those together to create really great collaborations? If I think about how we work with Ping, I think the great thing for us is that we know the technology just works and we know that we can trust that and we can rely on that. For me, the value of what you bring is not just in the technology, but it's in the people. It's the knowledge, the expertise, and the get it done mindset. By bringing that, we've been able to deliver something very successful.